Book name Pitman New Era. Exercise for the beginner. Exercise number 23. Let's start. I should like the head of your firm to see our huge new factory, and if he will come, I will fetch him in my car. If he can do so, I should like him to have lunch with me at the Park Avenue Hotel. I hope he will come to see it, for I think it will appear to him. I shall be happy to see him, and you, if you can come too. I hope you will come with him. Dictation finish.